Hello, all of you. Good morning to everyone, to myself. You know, uh, I will share you in my most important, experience. What is and how is we can learn speak in English very well without any hesitation. So let's see. My name is Dilip Pandit, and I will tell you how to speak in English very well without any hesitation. Okay, so the basic rule is only one, that is vocabulary. You have to learn a lot of vocabulary. If you learned, then automatically your mind will be ordered. This is the correct speak in English. So first rule is only you have to learn a lot of vocabulary. This is the number one tips. And second is practicing. Suppose that you know a lot of vocabulary. I think around 5,000 above, but it's true we can't success, because if you having in your mind vocabulary, then you should have to practice in English. So second and the main point is practicing. And third is listening. If you listening daily, then you can learn through the listening any language. Yes, I truly told you, if you listening anything, then you can learn anything. Because I will tell you about me. When I childhood, that time I don't know any language. However, I am telling very well in Bengali. Why? Because that time I not learned, only learn through the listening. So third number is listening. That means sunna. And one is the best, and this is the last step to reading. Yes, I will truly told you reading. That means fourth number. If you reading, I think reading through our pronunciation will be very well. So don't forget to reading, because reading through we can clear our pronunciation. What is the meaning of pronunciation? Pronunciation, if you talking in Hindi, that means ucharan. So what I told only 4 steps. You have to observe. The first is what I tell. Okay. And I think English is the most and important language in the world. In this world, that means universe, 212 countries. 212 countries in this world, but only affiliated 195. That means 195. And in these 195 countries are only one language is common, that is English. So if you know English, then you can select it in any companies. It's my challenge. Why? Because I selected 3 times in companies. But what I told you. So just be practice and learn. If you have doubt, then please comment it. I will very soon I will make video, not for one day, daily, and I will upload in my YouTube channels. So If you don't subscribe my channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon, because when I uploaded a new video, you direct notification through you can get. Okay, and one more thing, I will very soon making a video, not one day, not 2 day. This time I will making video regularly, that means daily. And this video is only relative to English speaking purpose, because you know, the Grameen boys, that means villagers boys, thinking that English is the very hard. But I will tell you, I am also in villagers people, but I am no very well speaking English. So don't think that English is very hard, and don't think and don't set in your mind that I can't speak in English. It's my guarantee. If you practice, then you can speak in English very well, better than me. I will challenge. Okay. Today I came, canal, valleys. So I thought today I will make a video and send in YouTube, because recently in a month I not send any video. So don't think you are a loser always, because you can do very well. You have to courage. And one more thing, practice daily, not one day, because it's a language, not any question answer. Okay? So thank you for watching this video. Tomorrow I will send another video to relative how to speak in English. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe, because tomorrow I am coming a new version and I will daily upload video. Thank you for watching this video.